How to create Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, install Discord application from the App Store and Google Play Store. Now tap on register here, or if you already have an account, just tap on login. But for now, let's tap on register here. Now you can either enter your phone number or you can enter your email. So let's enter our email here. Okay, here we go. Then tap on next. Then you can also choose your display name, but this step is optional, so you can skip as well. But for instance, let's enter a display name. Here we go. Now just tap on next again. Now you have to choose a strong password. Make sure that your password is of 8 or more characters. Okay, so just tap on next. Now you have to enter your birth date here. Now you have to confirm if you are not a robot. Just tap on confirm here. Now complete this verification step. Now after doing this step, just simply tap on next and then you will create your Discord account. That was all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.